This Asian noodle dish is great for when you're feeling under the weather. I'm using 2 chicken breasts sliced very thin while it's still slightly frozen with a serrated knife so you get really thin pieces. I like to use the Chinese sausage. The smaller ones are sweeter with a base seasoning of adobo. Shred 2 carrots, or you could make it easy and use coleslaw mix with a little bit of shredded carrots. I'm using the Cantonese egg noodles. If you don't have that, you could use regular egg noodles or spaghetti. I prepped my ingredients, so I'm ready for the stir fry. Add some olive oil to your cooked noodles to prevent it from sticking. In a pan, saute a minced onion until translucent and 4 minced garlic cloves. Add your meat and saute till well cooked. I'm adding 2 chicken bouillon packets. This gives it a really nice flavor. The chicken and vegetables will release moisture and create a nice broth for you. I'm using cabbage and carrots just like my dad used to. But feel free to use your own favorite vegetables. And stir to combine. Then add the cooked noodles. To start, I'm seasoning it with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix to combine, and I'm adding some pepper and 2 more tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Better to season it lightly and adjust it so you don't over season it and make it too salty. There you have a delicious noodle dish reminiscent of chicken noodle soup, but with more dimension. You could add a squeeze of lemon for an extra delicious taste. You have the garlic, the onions, the carrots, and the cabbage to boost your immune system for when you're not feeling so well. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.